Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create an avatar on Facebook. First, let's go into the app. Then in the bottom right hand corner you're going to select the three dashes. Then you want to select avatar. Avatar is better yet. Then you can select a skin complexion that you would like your avatar to be. Then press next. Then you can choose your hairstyle also. Then press done in the top right hand corner. Or if you want, you can edit it some more. And that's it. This is your avatar now. As you can see, it's loading up. You can share your avatar as a sticker, as you can see, and you can use it anywhere you can add a comment. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.